Hey, it's me, Tasha. Listen, I'm about to start sending out these Cancerversary boxes, but the first one is going to go to my sister. So before I send any out, I'm going to give her hers. So come with me. Special delivery.
This for me?
Yes.
Yeah, for real.
I can't send it out, girl, without giving you your box. Open it. Ain't it heavy?
It is.
I got a box. Okay, let me read the card first.
It's so much. Oh, I sure ain't got no socks on my feet because I was just thinking I need. Something smell good in here. What is
Bath bomb, baby.
What is
A rose bath bomb.
This is so pretty. This is vanilla. Look at it. It's so cute. Hey ho.
Hey. Hey, what? Wait, what? Put
Hey. Oh, you didn't hit it. Hope.
Yeah, just making sure.
Hey ho. Lemon rose. I love a good foot scrub.
What you think? What you think? What you think? What you think?
I think I want to lick this.
Don't. It's not edible. It's not edible.
Come here, CJ. Okay.
Although it is a brown sugar scrub, it's not edible.
Lemon rosé. Ooh. All this stuff on the ingredients look edible though.
It's not. Okay, next. It's not edible.
Okay.
My Lord.
This is so,
snapping
is this a makeup bag?
It is.
Flake.
Ow.
Ow. You girl. Ooh.
Let me tell you, yes. Let me tell you about that sponge. That sponge is the bomb. So if you use a makeup cleanser, you go ahead and just take the makeup off your face with that. It feels so good on your skin.
Like the oil-based ones, the oil-based cleansers. Can I use
you can use it with that. Anyone you want to. It feels so good on the skin.
This is soft. This one feels like a spa.
The rose and hydrangea. So when you want to take your bath, you know, and I ain't gonna roast you, but yeah, when you take your bath, I'll say I'm not going to. Sister.
Cut the camera.
Now let me tell you, that's a specially made lip balm. So my lipstick stay on forever, right? Forever.
Forever, ever?
Forever, ever?
Forever never sings that long.
I know, but with that lipstick it's on. So that, you just use that to take the lip balm off. Now, it's not for the two lip glasses I have, but definitely if you got a lipstick, use that.
I got shrink. Oh.
It's just a little, yeah.
These are some pretty colors. Fierce and Shade.
And that's from our, one of our sponsors. That's from, oh, please open that. That's the Cake Whipped Body Butter from Kalinda Preston of Succulent Products.
Now I know I can eat this.
Girl, look, let me tell you, no, you can't. But that thing, she gave me a scrub and that Keesha.
All of this smells
Let me
so
say,
good.
thank you, Kalinda. Succulent Products, yeah.
All of this smells so good. The lip balm and the lemon rosé foot scrub, I'm definitely gonna lick at some point.
Wait, let me cut. Wait, let me come back.
Oh, good. I got a lip gloss.
None of the products are edible. I need to let the people know. The products are not edible.
But you should try.
Not.
Okay. All of this smells so freaking good.
Does it make you want to go ahead and relax and do something?
Make me want to shout. What's today? Make me want to take a bath today.
What day it is?
Oh my God. Who is that?
Okay, yeah, I got to get these orders out, but I wanted to make sure you got the first box.
Oh, wait. I was going to package it back up. These feel so good. Thank you so much, C-Star.
Yeah, non-slip.
C-Star.
Let me get hugged.
Thank you, C-Star.
C-Star. Love you. Mwah.